A two-wing me a fly pan.
What you say?
Yeah, the best thing ever happened before me.
Yeah.
That chef that come top me. I'm the best chef in the world.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, another episode, another event. I'm in a certain spot right now, guys. It is in Upper St. Andrew, Lower St. Andrew, Middle St. Andrew. There with the vegan chef, the Ital boss. Guys, with this experience is the first for me. And I mean, you guys knew Chef Junior from the previous videos, the vegan boss. So this video is gonna be about vegan food with the Ital people, and I mean the Rastafarians. And I mean, so we're just there and a chill out. It's gonna be a little event later in the night. So Chef Junior is gonna show us what is on the menu in a few. So we soon get to talk to him. So don't go anywhere, you know, guys. Remember to what? Like this video, give it a subscribe. Something different. We're still going on the vegan challenge, you know what I mean? Yeah man, one love from Jamaica, you know. Bless up on yourself, you know. Bless up. Yeah man, all the time. Big up.
Today, I'm for the big yaad vibe studio. Cook some food for the Rasta them, man. Cook golden stew, chickpeas stew. Cook sip, turn cornmeal, mixed veg, ackee same way. I don't know, vegan style, all natural. So look out for the thing. We have the dishes them ready. Just go and prep up for them. So we're there see me I go and do it. So I'll try process and I'm going to see what I go on. Bless up. Ital Chef Junior. Big up.
How about this? Guys, look at this pumpkin.
Quality
Pumpkin, this, you know, look at that. Yellow and nice. We're gonna use the pumpkin for June.
Cersei pumpkin. You call this pumpkin Cersei pumpkin in Jamaica.
What dish is gonna use for?
We use it for the Ital stew.
So this pumpkin, guys, is for the Ital stew. Yeah man, see what's happening here in the kitchen. The Ital kitchen. Ital food. Ital is what? Vital. Yeah man, see him so guys. Yeah man. It's a good look. Look at this. Good look. When I eat this, you don't want no meat. No meat, you don't want.
Put some of that. Yeah, so we're there right now. Cut up the pumpkin to go into the Ital stew. You know, make sure it's everything go right to you. We normally do it.
Guys, a real knife man this, you know, man. Watch them knife skills there.
Yeah, man.
When I can check there, yeah.
You
Do the work.
I learn to use that type of
Yeah, man. All sorts of things. Don't Junior?
Of course. No matter how small the knife is or how big the knife is, you can get the work done same way.
Same way.
But look,
Yeah, people.
there right now, make sure some dice up there.
What a big knife? What a big knife? A big knife, I love seeing.
You love seeing
Jaffe, big knife in my yard.
Jaffe, some of the small.
Jaffe, big knife, to people. Tell Junior for Jaffe, big knife. Sure.
Small knife.
No. Me love see the big knife when I quick. Guys, go back, go watch that video there. I pin it in the description box.
Knife.
Yeah man, see it there? See it there? See it there? Hold on. Oh, God, that's easy, you know.
Yeah man, the big knife, all knife.
Junior, let me see what go on another pot.
Alright, this is the red peas.
Guys, this is the red peas boiling for the sip.
Yeah man.
And over here, peas pressuring.
Yeah man, beans, like chickpeas inside of that.
Chickpeas in this, guys, and this is what?
So we have
Butter bean.
and gongo.
Butter bean
So
and
like golden stew right there. So
yeah. And we have the ingredients locked. Yeah, man. Guys, this is gonna be a first official night pot wherever they on the channel, right? It's gonna be a night cooking. Yeah, night I'm gonna catch you on the scene, yeah. So it's gonna be a night cooking, not gonna wear no. But Junior gonna show you step by step some simple things, get some few shots of it. Not gonna really long and excessive. But at the vegan boss, you know what I mean, it's another beautiful day in Jamaica, cool. St. Andrew, you know what I mean? Yeah, we're in the big yard, the real place, the Ital village, you know what I mean, with Chef Junior. So Junior, one do your thing. So come here guys, when the food start bubble up and everything, you know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Look forward
Give me video I like.
Yeah man, look forward to tasting food.
Ultimate vegan chef, you see, we're outside. Do it.
Yeah, so we have a breadfruit right now. We have other things in our sip already. You know, we have put a piece of brush. I feel like we put a piece of brush in it today, so I say, yeah. Since you Rasta them like it, you know, Rasta them did anything already, a big yard.
Yeah. So run me through the ingredients we are putting in your sipper now.
You put pumpkin, breadfruit.
What's this in this bowl?
That pumpkin and garlic. All garlic too, you know what I'm saying.
And this?
No, that have a herb seed
Oh,
with
okay.
Aki and them things.
Alright, make us go in your sip pot, yeah. So Chef Junior, why not the pot so far?
We have pumpkin in there, breadfruit.
Pumpkin, breadfruit, garlic. Yeah. Guys, this smells really good. Where say I have okra?
Yes, right.
People, subscribe. Learn from the best. I best this. Yo, Junior.
Yes, I.
Tell you one more time. When you say you have okra, you have the simplest things them. Yeah man. It's easy as that, guys.
Okra, to scallion, to garlic.
Okra, scallion, garlic. So Junior have the okra, give it the little slime. That's what you call it.
A thick texture to help build up the thickness of the sip. Yeah, I don't know.
So this is a vegetable sip.
Yes.
With red peas and
Well Ital.
Ital.
Well Ital.
Hear that, guys? Well Ital. Yeah man, give me some knife skills, man. Give me some knife skills in the night when I'm a boss. I'll be a boss, my boss here for that.
I cut off my finger.
Cut off what kind of finger?
Easy.
Chef can't cut off finger. What? Give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cut that one. What? If I mean me, I take you all day if you got this. People, original night pot.
Yeah, man, a night cooking.
Yes, a night cooking.
Night cooking. God, I'm left to the rest of them install the light and things. So, I saw they don't have them like it. So, a night cooking.
Yeah, man. People, if you need that event to be done, link Junior. If you want vegan food, I put him number in the description box. Then chat to him. Make him come in, come cook some vegan food for you that you like. You understand?
Yeah, man. Golden stew.
Yeah.
Cranberry bean stew. Okra stew. Pumpkin stew. Bongo stew. Chickpea stew. Lentil stew. A whole heap of other stew. Golden stew. Veg stew. Aki. Chunks. Steamed veg. Cabbage, steamed callaloo, steamed pak chow. Anything we say vegan.
Yeah.
Callaloo stew, same way.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's how we take it to them levels.
Yeah, man. So guys, stay tuned, yeah? You soon see what come up, man. Not going nowhere. Not going nowhere. Not going nowhere.
You see there?
Watch now.
Yeah.
No more light, you know.
Are you a sister what the man say every year up there, man? Right now we are doing some night cooking and some night bengi place. Then we prepare. But guess what now? We don't make no bother me still no. We can make it work same way. So we still get the work done same way. We know all of my ingredients, we know my techniques how to cook, so we still get the work done same way. But as you can see, coconut milk I'm putting in a sip right now, but to go and finish cook done and bubble done. So work with what we are, because I'm not a complainer, you know. Don't worry about things I can't control.
Night cooking.
Night cooking.
Night cooking.
Night cooking.
Yeah, it's shine like puss. Yeah. Junior, what talk to? I walk on another party over here, so.
Alright, so that I may. Ready up.
One chew in your seasoning, my boss.
Golden stew.
Junior, you burn me up?
Can you get burned?
No, it's not burn me.
I didn't like me, I say, no, like. I don't know, look up everything I can't do, so. Eh?
I never finish it.
Turmeric.
What's this?
Turmeric powder.
Woo! This is what? A golden stew?
Yes, I.
People, you want to smell this in the night? Junior, come get a bad man stir for me.
Well, I'm not really stirring quick, you know.
Oh, you don't stir it quick?
No. But it's easy to go and cook on the night first.
Alright, my boss.
Don't do like certain chef with them stir. I'm just going to go and
You don't stir.
No.
Pot smell nice, no people?
You know, say some cook and some go cook right through and some halfway.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Sip, you know. Go down sip. See? This I come to a boil right now where this
guys,
with and
I'm gonna put the ingredient in this.
man.
In the rest in the description box.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Make we see peas.
Last time I like a whole by ingredients tonight. See there? Whole of pumpkin. So let's get it balance out, right? That's all.
Yeah.
Look over there.
Debo, man. Debo.
That night pot, check it out again. I did the pumpkin and the thing them night. We go and put down.
Junior Wally pot now make it drop up.
Why? I don't know how I go. I did some video of the people. You must say wait, the chef is cooking at that night. Yeah man, cause the organizer don't organize the thing right. My thing I already covered. We wish me a recipe them at home to get everything cooking, but the lighting.
So remind me of wine this again.
So me have the pumpkin and the season them inside. Right, that go and cook done.
Alright.
Yeah man. Golden.
Boom.
One that cooked on well soft. Check back the sip pot. This is how I want to taste to get a little hot sip in the stomach, you know.
Sure, we'll go on nice sip of beer steam. Steamy. So this is like a soup.
Yes. And a stew in a one.
Soup and stew, you call it Ital sip.
Yes, I. Come on. Taste the sound come.
Nice.
Yeah man, so I'm going to add some little water and the pumpkin to go and steam down some more. You don't add too much, you know. So you see there, you don't want water it down to better the sauce in the golden stew, too watery. Just add the right amount of water, equivalent to the pumpkin, equivalent to the amount of gold in butter bean and gungo you have, so you can have the right liquid texture inside. So you don't too watery and you don't too thick. Just right enough lick in where it's good, so you can have your right texture for the golden stew.
Yeah.
You see
And
here?
talk to me about this now.
So this is for the golden stew.
What's this?
The butter bean and gungo. I cook for the golden
So
stew.
this was cooked a while ago, guys.
Yeah man,
Pressured, cooked on the cold stove.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so this is one of the main ingredients.
Yeah man.
So you can cook your butter bean and follow the steps that you have, you know? So come.
Whoop! My chickpeas too, I deal with right now. Give me time first. And the seasoning. Pumpkin.
What's this you're adding in?
Pumpkin and a little bit of sweet potato in it. Let that go and cook down. Right? So this is the sip right there. Soon already. See? So you can get thicker and thicker. So the texture of it. So get thicker and thicker. Like that is the sip.
You see what I go on it at, yo, it's steam when I eat. Junior's beer steam in the pot there. Guys,
See? Say
that
look.
bubble.
You
Yeah, catch him, man. That bubble there.
Yeah, man.
Smell good, guys. Jamaican Ital sip. Hey, Junior. No, so when they ain't that, Junior, yeah, them share like puss. Shine like a butter. Make you see what I go on with the butter beans to your people. Golden stew, we say. So Junior added the butter bean and what you say adding there?
Yeah, and the
Run me
gungo.
through it again.
Butter bean, sorry, pumpkin, seasoning, butter bean, and the gungo.
Yeah.
And the turmeric, give it to this nice looking flavor. Oh my god, look man, zoom it up man. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah. And you gotta get to the thickness. Kind of get a little hand whisk. We kind of beat out some of the butter bean and the gungo to get a thickness. Yeah man.
Fully bad.
Yeah man. See there? They're ready.
So ready, guys. Look there.
Ready.
Take your time. Night cooking. Junior, long time, I know what to do in Junior.
What is?
What is father? What is father? Take him off there. Put him down and settle him. Guys, you must come to Jamaica man and try the vibe. Junior, them same thing you go on a 9 night, you know.
Yeah man, I'm missing
Come on. Soon come people.
I chickpeas too. Spoon them hot tea. Yeah man, left in the fire man.
Junior, you have one of yourselves. So.
Left over the fire, so yeah man.
I night pot, you know.
Yeah, I go back
Where you
to
say this? The
book.
chickpeas.
Yeah man, to the chickpeas too there. I bet that go and cook down.
Woo. Guys, yo, when you eat them food, yeah, man, meat a history. History that left in the past.
Me.
You understand? You read about it.
Yeah, man,
See you, guys. I tell you, man, I master this, man.
we go and cook down right.
Master this, guys. Take a look. Take a look. Season with some sea salt.
Yeah man.
Give it flavor, you know. Junior, pot over yourself, right?
Yeah man.
Come in, Junior. Come in.
Right, man.
Come in. Come in.
Yeah, so man.
Come in, Junior. Got you.
Rasta when left now, cut about the plate and the plate sit in that I keep putting on. That's what I say, But we not no cup Rasta. Hot cup here. No wall for the thing, hot cup.
Junior, vegetableist.
Yeah man.
Rasta come and hang, cause you know the food ready.
Rasta in the coconut. Most of the people don't know.
So, explain what this is for me.
I turn cornmeal, put in my coconut milk in it right now.
Junior, I don't put that right there, sir.
I'm the one, yes. Country,
Don't put that night.
push back.
Jesus.
Still I make it work.
Still I make it work.
5 diamond style.
Still I make it work. Still I make it work. Still I make it work.
Ring salt. You don't have to give me, just give me some right.
Boy, as yeah, my job, you a little dutchy. So I make this cook down some more, Junior.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Actually, when I out of jungle there, that yeah, peony. Remember peony?
And bullfrog a jump.
Quack.
And cricket a ball.
And frog that jump in the pot.
And now go to hide and stay far from eat.
Oh,
Yeah,
God.
Yeah,
Take your time, take your time.
Soup, it tastes good.
Yeah, guys, see some people are just rolling in the night pot.
I mean, I think fresh something, but it tastes good.
Tastes good. What it tastes, my friend? Solid.
Ital.
Ital is vital.
Yeah.
It's vital.
And you come in a night pot. Gee, yeah, man, I say figure, man. Say, yo, people, you know, say, I lie me, I tell you when I say Junior food tastes good. Wait till it tastes all day. what the thing name, the turn cornmeal, what the butter bean was stew, golden stew. Just wait, man. You know, say not yet. I feel like somebody hug up you.
The right vibration.
Right vibration.
Highly.
Outside. See it there? Soup done already. Soup done already. Guys, that's how we do it in Jamaica, you know, man. Live, you know. Where's the Junior?
Up full.
Yeah, it shine like stadium bulb. Look fresh out.
No.
So people, show them how I go on Junior say food soon done. Show them how I go on your potter.
We have the golden stew.
See
golden
there?
stew, butter bean, and gongo, steamed veg, chickpeas stew.
The one that make you crow. The one that make you crow.
Turn cornmeal.
But them one get a spit, no, just one little spit.
Slice.
Just get one little slice, let me see.
Slice.
Yo, whole world, piece of that for you. And see the Akia people. See the Akia.
Work up.
So the Akia, boy, when the Akia go, when you eat the Akia, man, you make 3, baby. Problem. You Junior? Big up. Guys, see Junior, yeah? See him friends, I tell them find him from a far night pot. Taste it up, my friend. How it taste? Cool it, you know?
Straight from Trenchtown, Bob Marley place.
Yeah? One up. Cool it, you know? You better cool it. Oh, God. Ital is vital.
Real time.
Fully bad.
Hot and ready.
Bus gas. Every gas, Rick up.
Big up a star food store, Rasta man.
Yeah. You know, shout out nobody, man. Shout out the people. You know, shout out nobody. Shout out the birthday boy, you know.
Rome Jerome's.
Yeah.
Big man in our place.
Yeah.
More life. More strength. Yeah. Love and respect. Each and every one. Yeah.
Big up from Jamaica. Go in night. You say it done already?
Bad.
It done already?
Yeah. So we do it a yard, man.
Loud.
Yard vibe.
Big up.
In a day or night, anytime, pot a cook.
No time at the power limit.
No time at the pot a cook.
No time.
You see, Junior, people, you see, you want to meat a cook around this?
No, that's
Cheers.
Cheers.
Sister, you know?
Yeah? Yeah, man, I say, come on. No dead flesh.
No
dead flesh. People, on the outside, see me? On the outside, in the night cold. When I kitchen with Junior, see the rice soon ready, everything soon ready. So people, yeah, stay tuned in. Don't go nowhere. The vibe right. You know what I mean? Wait till you go in all the front. Not a Rasta party. Yeah. Holy bad. Boom.
And 2 wings me a fly pan.
What you say?
Yeah, the best thing ever happened before me.
Yeah.
Yo, that chef that come tap me. I'm the best chef in the world.
Him come tap it.
Yeah.
So how it taste?
Like
Tell me how it taste now.
Yeah, but I tell you, say the best thing ever.
The best thing.
Man. And 2 times I double, you know.
Double, you get one already and then you take another one.
Yeah, that's double.
How food taste?
Oh, yeah, me I tell you, a champion thing, man.
Champion.
Derby business.
Derby.
Top of the line. Yo, you have to fall in line when you come for them money. You know, those get soup easy, son.
Yeah.
You know, like when you call radio station program and you can't get on. And you say, oh, me can't get on. Too much people are called, too much management.
Yeah.
Big up.
Big up his chef.
Big
Go
up
in there.
Every time, every place, every hour, every minute.
Yeah,
all
man.
the girls themselves. Rasta says.
Do your thing.
Out.
Wicked. Alright guys, so here I'm going to sample the food in the dark. I can't take a look on it. So I have a whole heap of things. So I have some vegetable, turmeric. I have a whole heap of things. So here my first thing I got to taste is the cornmeal. The turn cornmeal, guys. Watch out. Wicked. Taste good. Well, Chef Junior, I know him how to paper. The vegetable just right. Just right. Guys, are the wickedest night pot. This wickedest night pot. Watch out. This is golden stew and the butter bean. Yeah man, see it? Take some. If I worry if I pray already, pray a long time, I see. I know me always bless my food, but I bless it for all around. You see me, so? One love, you know, guys. Watch out. People live in the front, I'm so eat up them thing. You know what I mean? Alright, so guys, see who like pot here, man. Junior do all of this in the night, man. So me talk about, you know, in the night. Okay. Guys, this is the vegetable. This is the rice. You know, I don't really love the rice. But this is the chickpeas stew. This is the turn cornmeal. Look there. Look there. Look there, man. Take some. Boy, Junior, tempting. This is the we took one already. This is the ackee. No. What is that again, Junior? Butter bean.
It's a golden
stew. And this is the ackee. Sure. Ackee stew. This wicked. So take one more look. Awesome. Food. Jesus. Let me food make you curl like fowl. Over here, they will eat it.
Come on, we for video.
Are you going to yeah, man, I have to sample it.
Yeah, they take it.
Yeah, man, I have to sample it.
Rastafari.
Yeah. Tell me what it tastes.
The tongue nice.
Yeah?
The tongue, the thing vital.
Yeah?
I'm going to tell you about the turn cornmeal.
Yeah, tell me about it.
I'm going to tell you about the screw. See that? It may make the screw.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you that. I'm going to tell you about it.
You know something I know about this. I think my favorite.
A pumpkin rice?
Yeah, alright.
Tell you about it. Pumpkin rice, oh God. If I'm eat this,
yeah.
can't sleep tonight. Stallion, Jackie, straight through.
How are you not say? That is a golden stew.
Oh God.
Yeah, man.
I love everything.
You love everything. Everything nice. Yeah, sit down here while I see
I
it.
miss no flesh.
Yeah.
Bone of flesh. Straight Ital.
It is vital, though.
Me tell you.
See my friend, how your food tastes, my boss? Talk to you now.
The food, but I can't talk.
You can't talk. Guys, a real Jamaican out doing night cook. A night food is nice, you know when you come in from work and then you just make up your fire when you back there. Good God. Natural food.
No gas.
Yeah, tell me how the vegetable tastes. How the vegetable tastes? They say turn cornmeal nice.
Turn cornmeal bad.
Bad.
No meat. That brown rice. Oh God.
Yeah. And I use it if I want to turn cornmeal. It turn good.
Nice.
A Junior do it, man.
I want Junior come home from the store. Just turn the cornmeal for me. And just cook me.
Chef, you hear that? You hear that, Chef?
Yeah.
And then it's about here.
Oh God.
Here for me.
Oh God. Chef. We're going to talk to you, Chef. Yeah. Chef, you hear this? You hear this, Chef? Them say you turn cornmeal wicked like a judge. Wicked like a judge. People, I real Jamaican night cooking. See it there? Outside. Yo, drop a subscribe, you know. Yeah, if I want 10,000 likes for that video. 10,000 likes. Give Junior a thumbs up for everything. Could you? Look in a pot. All if you're not vegetarian, brother, this is a food that make you miss. You cannot miss it. Look on the rice. Junior rice. Wicked. Real night cooking. Big up yourself, chef. You go well if you fork. No go well if you know. Take your time. Guys, so here we just done shell out the food in the night here, you know what I mean? Look how much shine. You know what I mean, guys? This was a different experience with the Ital chef, with the vegan chef. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't something really long, you know what I mean, like the usual, but still grateful, you know what I mean? So big up on yourself, you know, man. One love from Jamaica again, you know, all the time. I'm Tyrone and I'm signing out. Subscribe, like up the video, share it up, share the recipes, description, check that for all of those ingredients, you know what I mean? One love from Jamaica again. Big up. Boom, boom.